Woo! That was done. What's up, guys? This week on The Life of 5, we are talking about guys, I guess. That's how you could put it. I don't know. So here we go.
Come sit with me. Hello. Hello.
Sorry, I had to switch location. Now I'm in the backyard. Woohoo! Feels great outside, so I'm outside now. Hey. Hey, got my puppy dog. I love you. The next thing is don't be annoying. Like, you can push our buttons and stuff, but don't be annoying about it. You bug. Don't be annoying. It's really bright. I hope you can see me. The next thing is smell good. Nobody wants someone that smells bad. The next thing is don't bring up exes and stuff like that, and on top of exes and stuff, people that in the past like you liked or that like you, something like that. Just don't bring it up. It's not necessary. The last thing, so I can go back inside. Okay, the last thing is sagging. Don't sag. Just don't. If I can see your underwear, just go away. I don't want to talk to that. If your pants are at your ankles, no one wants to talk to you. Just saying. If you have a belt and you're still sagging, there's something wrong with that. Pull your pants up. That's that. Bailey, you wanna come over here? Do my outro with me? No. She goes like this. That's her no. Come on. Not my puppy. There you go. There you go. Bob. You are getting all up in my video. Sit. Come sit by me. Come here. Come sit. Grrr. I win. I didn't do anything to you. I really don't want to film this right now. Is that touching me? We should have picked a better theme. Wow. Just don't do it. I'm getting some sun. There's a wasp, 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 there's a wasp. Please don't come up to me, please don't come up to me. I'm not doing anything to you. I don't like the outdoors. Oh my gosh, I'm not doing anything.